Hi, good morning students. Today we see exercise 7.2 sum number 10. A container open at a top is in the form of frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill a container at the rate of rupees 40 per liter. First, we see the container of frustum. So, for example, a tumbler is a frustum of a cone. Its height is, so this one is height. So, this one is smaller circle, smaller base circle. So, center point to end, center point to end is small radius, small r. And next one, upper circle. So center point to radius is capital R. So given the container is the frustum of a cone. So its height, so first one is lower circle and upper circle. So it's connected with the line. So this one is height is given 16 centimeter. Next one, small r. So small r is 8 centimeter. So height is 16 centimeter, small r is 8 centimeter, and capital R 20 centimeter. So given small r equal to 8 centimeter and capital R equal to 20 centimeter, and the height of the frustum is 16 centimeter. Next one, find the cost of a milk which can completely fill. So in a three-dimensional figure, we complete fill in the figure. That means, so capacity of the container. So capacity means volume. So we find volume. So volume of frustum. So we know the formula, volume of frustum equal to 1 by 3 pi into h into r squared, that means capital R squared plus small r squared plus r into r. So volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi h r squared plus r into r. So we know 1 by 3 pi equal to 22 by 7 into here h equal to 16 into r, capital R is 20, so 20 squared plus small r equal to 8 centimeter, so 8 squared equal to 64, so here 8 squared plus r into r, so capital R 20, small r 8. So solve the sum. So here 22 into 16 divided by 3 into 7, and also 20 squared equal to 400, that means 20 into 20 400 plus 8 squared, 8 into 8 64, 28s are 160. Next add 3 values. So here 22 into 16 divided by 3 into 7 into 400 plus 160, 560 plus 64, so 624. So cancel common table, 3 table 1 time, here 2 3s are 6, 0 time, 3 8s are 24, so 8 time. So multiply 22, 16, 208. So we get an answer 73,216 divided by 7. So simplify this answer. So we get 10,459.28, that is centimeter cube. Here the unit is centimeter. So we know volume means cubic centimeter. So centimeter cube. So volume of the frustum is 10,459.28 centimeter cube. But here rupees 40 per liter. So we convert the centimeter cube is liter into liter. 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Here 10,459.28 centimeter cube. That means 1 to many, then we can multiply. So 10,459.28 divided by 1000. Any number divided by 1000, its decimal will be moved to left side. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros means we move the point to left in the 3 digits. So here 10.459 approximate value. So 10.41459 liters. So cost per liter is rupees 40. So cost of 10.459 liters equal to multiply 10.459 into 40. So multiply these two numbers. So the answer is 418.36 rupees. Just we multiply. So suppose you multiply this type, leave the decimal point. So 10,459 into 40. So 40 means, so leave the 0. Next multiply by 4. 9 4s are 36, balance 3. 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23, balance 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, balance 1. So remaining 1, 4 1s are 4. So we leave the point 3 decimal in the decimal point, 3 digits, and also 0. So we can apply 0. So 3 digit, move the decimal in 3 digits. So the answer is 418.360. So here the same answer. So the cost of frustum cone fill this capacity. So we get the cost is rupees 418.36 rupees. Thank you.